Hey y'all, today I'll be installing and reviewing this Kinky straight synthetic drawstring ponytail that I got from SheIsBombCollection, a hair company on Amazon. So if you're interested in watching, go ahead and stay tuned.
Say I'm proud of you. You don't have bumps and obstacles along the way. You just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so I got 3 drawstring ponytails from SheIsBombCollection. But today I chose to install the 14-inch Kinky straight drawstring ponytail extension in the color 1B. Now the ponytail came in this small bag, and on the inside there was the ponytail, and it came with some hairpins and scrunchies. On the inside of the ponytail there's 2 clips and a drawstring. Now to get this ponytail, I had to section my hair off into 2 parts. My hair is still kind of blown out from my last video, so I just brushed it out a little bit, and then I grabbed my SheIsBombCollection Slick and Slay Gel and applied a generous amount to the back section. Now after I secure that with a ribbon, I go ahead and grab the front section and apply some more Slick and Slay Gel and sleep it back. Now, like I always tell y'all, I don't have baby hairs, so I'm just gonna grab some of my edges to make some. And to do that, I'm using my SheIsBombCollection Bomb Goo Gel. Now, as y'all can see, this is 4C hair. This is some real deal natural hair, and this SheIsBombCollection is laying it to the T. So go ahead and shop black owned by shopping with SheIsBombCollection. You can check her out on Instagram at SheIsBombCollection and at Boss Hair. Alright, now that that's dry, I'm going to go ahead and grab my ponytail. Now, as you saw in the beginning of the video, the ponytail had a little slight bend in it. I just took my blow dryer on warm and combed it out. Alright, so then I just grab a little piece of hair from the back and then wrap it around with some Got to Be Free spray and tuck it in. Now I'm gonna tell y'all right now, do not come for me and do not come for this forehead, okay? Okay, I'm taking the black strip off. Now I'm not even gonna lie, when I first saw this ponytail on my phone, like, I was a little bit scared because I don't really wear ponytails like that because you know, it hurts my head. But I was more scared because it was a synthetic ponytail and I didn't think that the texture would match my hair. But can you look at this texture in this kinky straight ponytail? Like, Now, this is how I ended up with a bang. I couldn't take the forehead poking out. I couldn't take it. So I grabbed my Got To Be Free spray and applied a layer to the section where I'll be bonding in the tracks for the bang. I think I applied about 2 or 3 layers of Got To Be Free spray and blow dry between each layer. Now, I didn't have any Kinky straight tracks, so I just went ahead and grabbed some old, I believe it's Brazilian straight hair that I had, and glued it onto the top in like a half C type pattern. Don't copy me, because I ain't gonna lie, I messed up this bang. I haven't done a ponytail in so long, and my head was hurting from having this tight ponytail, and I just had to be honest, bro. And yeah, I was trying to get this video done, so I just like did something, and I shortly realized that the ponytail was messed up, so I had to go ahead and take loose the ponytail I did before and reposition it, and that's what you're seeing right here. And with these bangs, I just felt like it would be cuter if I wrapped it into a bun. And this is the finished look. Alright, now like I said, y'all, I was so surprised with the quality of this ponytail. It blended with the texture of my hair absolutely perfect, like perfect. So big shout out to Stamp Glorious for sending me this ponytail and the other 2 ponytails. All of the information for the hair and the link to purchase will be in my description box below, and I'll be posting some videos with other 2 ponytails very soon, so stay tuned. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. Thanks so much for watching my video today, guys. I love you so much.
Me I beg you, who me guide them, Father? Make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me, Jehovah. Father, protect your soul. Can't stop me 'cause me heart too clean. Can't kill me 'cause me heart too clean. Because me heart too clean.